Hello dear students, welcome you all in your English class with your English teacher Reena Jain. Now in our today's class we are going to learn about the alphabetical order. You all know about the alphabet, the letters of alphabet. Let's see, these all are the letters of alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These all are the letters of alphabet and these all letters are arranged in a correct order. ये सारे अल्फ़ाबेट के लेटर्स कहे जाते हैं और ये सारे लेटर्स एक करेक्ट ऑर्डर में होते हैं. मीन्स फर्स्ट A comes, the first letter of alphabet is A, then B, then C, then D, like this. Means all letters are in a correct order. Now let's see this book. What is this and what does it do? ये क्या है and इसका यूज क्या होता है? What is the use of this book? This is a dictionary and it helps us to find the meaning of words. ये एक डिक्शनरी है और ये हमें वर्ड्स की मीनिंग फाइंड आउट करने में हेल्प करती है. सम डिक्शनरीज कंटेन्स अप टू 1,70,000 वर्ड्स. कुछ डिक्शनरीज ऐसी होती है जिसमें 1,70,000 से मोर देन यानी ज्यादा वर्ड होते हैं. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज, इफ वी हैव टू फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ एनी वर्ड, देन हाउ शुड वी फाइंड दिस वर्ड इन दिस डिक्शनरी? It is very easy because in this dictionary all words are arranged in alphabetical order. Now you can see in this dictionary all the words which starts from letter A are listed at the first. Then all the words that start with letter B are listed at after the letter A words. मीन्स इस डिक्शनरी के अंदर जितने भी वर्ड्स लेटर ए से स्टार्ट होते हैं वो सबसे पहले लिस्टेड किए होते हैं, पहले दिए होते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर अबैक, अबैकस, अबाफ्ट, अबेंडन, लाइक दिस. एंड आफ्टर ऑल द वर्ड्स ऑफ ए लेटर देन द लेटर्स ऑफ बी गिवन. ए लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले सारे वर्ड्स के बाद में बी लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड्स दिए होते हैं. देन आफ्टर words that started C, then words that started letter D, like this. Means if you have find the meaning of any word, that you can find this word in this dictionary with the help of alphabetical order. For example, here we have two words. First is apple and the second one is bat. Now what is the first letter of this word? Here the first letter of this word apple is A and the first letter of this word bat is B. Now tell me what comes first according to alphabet, A or B? According to alphabet, letter A comes first and after that letter B comes. So we have to arrange the word which start with letter A. Write first, then after we will write the word which start from letter B. यानी ए लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड को सबसे पहले लिखा जाएगा, देन बी लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाला वर्ड लिखा जाएगा. ओके, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. हियर वी हैव सम वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन इज गिफ्ट, देन बुक, कार, zebra, orange. Now we have to arrange these all words in correct alphabetical order. Let's see the first letter of all words. Here the first letter of this word is G. Then we have next word book and the first letter of this book is B. Then car, the first letter of car is C. Then zebra, the first letter of zebra is Z. And orange, the first letter of orange is O. Now according to alphabet, we have to arrange these all words in alphabetical order, and according to alphabet, first letter of alphabet is A, but we don't have here the word which started from the letter A. After A, the next letter is B. We have the word which started from letter B, means book. So we will write here first book. After B comes, next letter comes C. So we will write here C for car. After C, D, E, F. But we don't have the words which started from D, E and F. We have the next word which started from letter G, means gift. So we will write here gift. After this gift, the next letter comes O. We will write here O, orange. Next and the last letter is Z. So we will write here at the last zebra. See this next example. Banana, mango, apple, orange and grapes. Now in these words, all words we have to see the first letter. Here the first letter is B, then M, then A, then O and then G. Tell me which letter comes first in alphabet. Alphabet में सबसे first letter कौन सा आता है? It is A. Here the letter which started from letter A is apple. So we will write here first apple. After that, the word which started from letter B means banana. After B, we will write the next letter, next word which started from the letter G means grapes. Then we will write the next word which started from letter M means mango. And at the last, we will write here orange which started from letter O. Okay. Means when we arranged the words according to alphabet letters, that is called alphabetical order. Now look some more examples. Here the first word is book, then banana, then bread. Now look in this all words the first letter is same. सारे words का first letter same दिया है. Means in the first word we have B, in the second word we also have B. And in the third word we again have letter B as the first letter. Then what should we do? If we have the first letter same in all the words, then we will see the next letter means second letter. Now look this word. In this word second letter is O. And in this word second letter is A. And in the next word bread we have the second letter R. Now here we will arrange these words according to the second letter. यहाँ पर हम second letter के according words को arrange करेंगे because we have first letter same in all the words. So in all the words the second letter O, A and R. But according to the alphabet the first letter is A. So we will write here first B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Then after we will write B-O-O-K, book, because here the second letter is O and O comes after the A. Then we will write at the last bread because the second letter of this bread is R and R comes after A and O. Let's see next example. SLIP slip, SLID is slide, SLOT slot. Now in all these words we have the first and second. Both letters are same in all the words. सारे words में first और second दोनों ही letters same दिए हैं. Here the first letter is S and second letter is L. Again in this word we have the first letter S and the second letter is L. And in this word slot again we have the first letter S and the second letter is L. So here we will see the next means third letter. The third letter is I. Here the third letter is I and here the third letter is O. In the third word the third letter is different, but in this two word this third letter is same. So we will see the next means fourth letter. Here the fourth letter is P and here the fourth letter is D. D comes before P. So we will write here SLID is slide and after that we will write SLIP slip. Then at the last we will write the last word SLOT slot. Means अगर किसी word में कोई words में first और second दोनों ही letter same दिए हैं तब हम third वाला letter देखकर उसके according words को arrange करेंगे. But in the slip and the slide we again have the third letter, both are same. I and in this word the third letter is O. But I comes before O. I जो है वह O से पहले पहले आता है. So we will write sleep and slide before this slot. But in both this word we have the third letter I is same. So we will look the fourth letter and we will compare in these words which letter comes before. कौन सा letter पहले आता है? We compare this P and this D. And in this P and in this D, a D comes before the P. So we will write here D. Letter word means slide. Then we will write here sleep means P letter word. And at the last we will write SLOT, slot. Means alphabetical order is when we arrange all the words according to the alphabet order. Then that is called alphabetical order.